The Mariana Crow, a sleek, iridescent bird endemic to the small islands of Guam and Rota in the Pacific, teeters on the brink of extinction. Its story is a poignant reminder of the fragility of island ecosystems. Once abundant, the Mariana crow faced a devastating blow with the arrival of the brown tree snake, an invasive species accidentally introduced to Guam after World War II. This voracious predator decimated the crow population, driving it to local extinction on Guam. On Rota, the crow's last stronghold, the situation remains precarious. Habitat loss due to development, competition with invasive species, and the ever-present threat of the brown tree snake reaching Rota all contribute to the crow's decline. This is the only vocals I could find of this amazing bird. But today, hope flickered anew. Through meticulous research, captive breeding programs, and community outreach, we're slowly, but surely turning the tide. Each fledgling, each successful release, brought them closer to the day when the auger would once again soar freely across the skies of Rota, a symbol of resilience and a testament to the power of human intervention to mend the fractured tapestry of nature. Perhaps in the coming years, we might witness the Mariana crow once again roam its native lands.